The study of signatures is an important aspect of graphology. Your signature reflects a lot about your personality. It can tell a lot about your personal and professional traits. If you have a complete and clear signature, then you are likely to be a straightforward, open and an outspoken person. On the other hand, people with an illegible signature have lot of problems because of miscommunication. People who prefer short signatures are more impatient than those who do the full signature. People who sign too steeply have high chances of neck, shoulder or upper back pain. They have too many expectations from themselves. No amount of progress is enough for them. A signature is termed as a unique way of writing one's name. It is also a good picture of your personality. You can learn about the effect your signature has on your whole life by just studying simple facts about it. It reveals your temperament and nature depending upon the manner you write the letters, whether large or small, light or dark, angled or curved. Certain personality traits such as communication ability, creativity, honesty, emotional well-being and more can be simply determined by taking your signature into concern. The study of signatures also reveals other traits like the level of confidence you have, your outgoing nature, ability to set a primary goal, social skills and more. Thus, it can be rightly said that the manner in which you write your name can tell a lot about your personality traits effectively. The study of signature or signature analysis is largely dependent on certain factors. These include the size of your signature, use of first and last name, strokes or lines under your signature, size of your signature's first letter, backward strokes or loops in signature, the use of dots and so on. Even the slants of your signature tell a lot about yourself. Downward slant in your signature signifies your pessimistic nature. It also means that you are facing failures in life for quite some time. Also, your personal and professional lives are not going well for you. People with a rightward slant signature are quite social and expressive in public. They portray an outgoing personality and can easily mingle with the crowd. However, those with a leftward slanting signature are more reserved in nature when outside in public. People with a slight upward slanting signature are always focused on the future. They reflect ambition in their signature and the tendency to take their lives towards a better future. Getting a customized signature for yourself from a certified analyst will ensure that the signature you get is the best for you from all angles. A customized signature will help you in developing yourself in the most positive ways possible. The best qualities will be imbibed in you, making you successful in all the areas of your life. So get your current signature analyzed and get a customized signature for yourself from a professional analyst as soon as possible. Now you can learn graphology online. I am giving 78% discount on my level 1 graphology course. The link is given in the description below. You can check it out. Share this video with others if you find it useful. Follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos and information on graphology like this. See you in my next video.